determining the use of custom URL for e-messages, tweets and posts against e-social platforms based on time complexity retardation. We approach the social networking sites to gather or share information worldwide in the form of messages, like tweets, posts, blogs, etc., and also in other formats such as pictures, audio, and video. These social networking sites are often used to organize e-campaigns in favor or against various contentions such as political review, social issue, environmental dispute, worldwide controversy, trolling, and so on, in the modern era of technology where the audience is widely connected with e-platform. We participate in trolling, controversy, and campaigns or expeditions by posting, tweeting, microblogging, and so on. To participate, all we have to do is submit a tweet or microblog with the exact word or phrase that appears in the trends list, similar to a hashtag. However, trending keywords fluctuated in the short period, and any hashtag quickly gained worldwide popularity. We show how to use a custom URL to join an e-campaign that is wrapped in a shortened URL to make it easier to comprehend and get a lot of results to trend any tag or hashtag in a short period of time. To acquire the greatest results for trending terms, we optimize the results for the community, groups, and individual audiences. In today's digital world, the internet has become a powerful force that connects billions of people globally. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and others are among the most visited websites every day. These platforms are not only used for entertainment and communication but also serve as tools for spreading messages and running online campaigns. With billions of users spending countless hours on social media, it's now easier than ever to raise awareness, gather support, and voice opinions on important issues. This paper explores how online campaigns can be made more effective using a simple but powerful tool called the custom URL technique. This technique allows messages or posts to be shared through specially created web links that automatically include hashtags and pre-written content. This saves time, reduces effort, and increases the number of people who can participate in a campaign quickly. By making it easy to share the same message with just one click, campaigns gain more visibility and can trend faster on social media. The technique works on almost all major social platforms and helps even small organizations or individuals promote their causes effectively. It also supports real-time updates, so messages can be changed instantly without much hassle. This method encourages more people to participate by removing the complexity of writing their own posts, making campaigns more unified and powerful. The custom URL technique is a simple yet impactful way to amplify voices on the internet and make social media movements more successful. In today's digital world, well-known personalities and companies can easily make their campaigns trend on social media using paid services and tools. However, for everyday people, this can be challenging. To help simplify the process, short customers can be used to quickly spread campaign messages and boost hashtag popularity. This allows more posts and tweets in less time. However, shorters can also raise security concerns, as they are sometimes used for spam or phishing. So, while they are useful for spreading messages, it's important to ensure they are safe and trustworthy before sharing widely. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.